Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to enable data saver in Discord application using your mobile device. If you're trying to reduce mobile data uses while staying connected with your friends or servers, then first of all, open up the Discord application on your mobile device, and then once you're inside the home page of Discord, go ahead and tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. In the U menu or your profile menu, go to the top right section and tap on the gear button. Now, from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on the chat button, and inside chat, scroll down and look for data saving option. Toggle on the button right next to data saving mode, and then once you do this will reduce Discord's data usage by loading fewer media elements and disabling autoplay features on mobile data. If you're using Discord while traveling or in a limited data plan, turning on Data Saver can help extend your bandwidth without missing any messages. And that's it. You've now enabled Data Saver in Discord, which means you have more control over your mobile data and smoother app uses on the go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.